am not gang gang. I do not gang bang. But play me like I'm pussy, I will pull up and bang bang. Niggas get knocked out, just say they gon' pop out, hop out, ooh, wop out, and then...
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Beautiful Rebel, and welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title, but then again, the title might change because YouTube themselves when it comes to the demonetization shit. So either this is gonna be named "She Snatched My Wig," "The Time I Had to Beat Up My Father's Girlfriend." You know how it go. Alright, so let's jump right into the story, and I apologize if it's long, even though I know you guys like long stories. And I'm not gonna get into my hair because I know everybody's gonna ask. I dyed this myself. This is my own 613 lace frontal unit. If everyone knows already, you follow me on Instagram, I started to sell hair and make wigs. So if you need any, just hit me up on Instagram, or you can email me at the email in the description box below. But anyways, let's get into the background story. So I would say back in 2015, because around that time, 2015, me and Matthew had made a year, and I think I went to Jamaica that year. But even before that, I think it was 2015 or 2016. One of them years. I went to Jamaica after I haven't been there in mad long. Yes, it was 2015. I went to Jamaica after having been there mad long, and I know that my father got a girlfriend. Now I noticed because should I say her name? Well, my cousin, my friend that I call my cousin, had put me on because she lived in the same area where my dad lived. Like they lived like walking distance to my crib, and we're really close. So she's up here, whatever. So she's telling me like, well, everyone was telling me my father got a girlfriend. Now everybody knows I'm very territorial with my father. For the simple fact that, like, when I was a baby, my father had got locked up, and I'm going to touch into that story. That's another story. So if you want to hear about that story, just comment a blue heart under. It's a really emotional story. But anyways, I'm very protective of my dad. And when my father had first came out of jail, whatever, when I first met him, my grandma used to get mad because I'd be like, my dad and I have no girlfriend, I'm his girlfriend. I'm his one and only, because my dad, even though he was locked up, he never missed a phone call. He treated me like a princess. I'm a daddy's girl. I always spoil my daddy. If I don't have it, then I don't have it. But if I do, my daddy always gonna get a little piece of it. But anyways, I found out my father had a girlfriend before he told me whatever. So me and my mother knew a long time ago. Like, we been knew. My mother don't really care. At the end of the day, if my mother was in Jamaica, it's a wrap. My father been one with my mother. But that goes into the story too. We not go into that. So anyways, I found out my father got a girlfriend, whatever. And from the little stories I hear like, oh, she has kids, she has daughters or whatever. And I ended up went to go follow one of the daughters on Facebook because one of the daughters went to high school with my cousin Junior. So I decided to follow her just so I could see what the mother looked like. Because from what I'm hearing, when I was in New York, it's like, oh, he got a girlfriend. Everybody in the community is saying, like, she fake moved herself in and she's acting like, my father's crib is hers and she runs shit and So, me, I'm the type of person, whether I'm about to be a friend or, like, you some type of stranger, and I'm just meeting you, I never judge a book by its cover. Like, I don't listen to what people say, and I always have to feel the consequences myself. So either I hear people talk about the person, and then I go in to meet them, and if I end up getting burned, I'll just get burned and take my L, or we become friends. For me, because everybody talks about everybody. I'm pretty sure mad people talk about me, and y'all probably think I'm this certain personality on camera, but really and truly, this bubbly personality that you guys see is when I'm comfortable in front of friends. But if you really, really meet me, I have like a straight, mean kind of face, only because either I can't see because I'm blonde, or I'm like really focused, and like, I'm shy. Like, I'm really shy unless you get to know me. But anyways, I'm hearing all these stories, whatever. So I used to, like, me and my mother used to make little 1 or 2 jokes, and my father would laugh and whatever. So, because my father calls every day. So I decided to go to Jamaica. I think it was either 2015 or 16. I think it was 15 though. So I went back home, and this is my first time meeting the lady. So, like, she's short, stubby, fat ass, not really cute face. She's not ugly. I'm not going to say she ugly. I'm not going to say she cute. She in between. She's not all that. Her attitude is fucking disgusting. But anyways, I first met her, whatever. It was cool. She was like, hi, hey, what's up? How's everything? I'm like, hey, whatever. So now this is the first red flag. The first red flag was when I had first met her, she was talking about how she was when she was growing up or how she is. And the first thing she said was, oh, you know, say me a type of girl with have attitude and like nobody can tell me nothing because me feel like nobody can beat me and like me used to beating girl and whatever. That's strike one. Strike two, she was telling me something about, oh, I wanted to wash my clothes. Now, in Jamaica, we have, you know, in most Caribbean islands, we have like a line we put our clothes on. So I noticed that one day I went out on my balcony, my private balcony, if you look back in my vlogs, and I see there's clothes on my balcony, like they made a line. So one day my father, in my crib, downstairs at my grandma's house, whatever, we have our own washroom. So it's my house in the vlog, then my grandma's house is on the other side, because you know my house is a 2-story house. My grandma's house is a 1-story house. In the back, where I never walk around that corner that connects the houses, there's like a washroom. We have our own laundry room all the way in the back. So we have a washer and a dryer. I think a dryer had broke, so we have a washer. So my father never wants me to wash. I'm like, I don't know, like I'm fake kind of spoiled, but you know, my father is not getting to know me because he knows me, but he's babying me because he didn't get to raise me, you feel me? So like I'm his little baby and that's my baby. Like that's the love of my life. That's my baby. So my father would take my clothes. He'd be like, oh, Nakish, you want me to wash for you? So I'd be like, all right, whatever, you can wash it to me. So one day, the second red flag was one day, I was on a veranda, so I had a whole bunch of clothes in a basket. So I asked my father, oh, can I take his basket out of his room to put my dirty clothes in? I want to wash. He was like, yeah, take it, tell me, go wash it. So then he went downstairs to do something. And then the girl was in the crib. So let's give her name. We're going to call her Stink because she got a stink-ass attitude. Her ass too fast to probably stink. So we're going to say Stink. So Stink comes saying now, matter of fact, no, we never call her Sting, we call her Dutty. Dutty Gyal. So we're going to say Dutty. So now Dutty comes now and she's like, oh yeah, you can go wash at your grandmother's crib because you know your grandmother don't like me. That's strike two. Ladies, if you're about to go, I stress this enough. If you're about to go into a relationship with a man who has either a son or a daughter, sorry, my camera had cut off. I didn't have enough memory. But like I was saying, no matter what, the kid come first. Why would you be telling me about an existing beef? Mind you, she was talking about my grandmother like my grandmother wasn't nothing. Why would you be telling me, just meeting me, something about my grandmother? I don't care if it's hurting you. I don't care if it's affecting you. You don't know me. You legitly don't know me. So why would you be telling me about my grandmother? Why would you be telling me about you don't care what nobody said, it's that type of guy, beat gal and whatever? Why are you telling me that? Mind you, I'm not even 2 or 3. I'm a grown-ass individual. Before you friend me up, come on now, common sense. For all people in Jamaica who either dating somebody who goes to abroad or has someone that goes to abroad or has a kid that goes to abroad, whatever. I'm American. You're in Jamaica, right? Mind you, she supposedly sells clothes. Well, back then, because I don't see her selling clothes now. Back then. Before you be my friend me up, be mad fake, and get a little 1-2 close to me, you know? Because even when I'm coming down to Jamaica, I bring her door like little candies and stuff. Nothing too crazy. But friend me up, stupid. Sorry, my phone just rang. But yeah, like, friend me up, sis. Don't tell me nothing wrong. Like, just tell me everything to make it seem right, and then I'll find out later. Let me ask why the clothes is there, and you say something about it. Let me tick you off, and you tell me about your attitude. But anyways, the vacation sim is on. Now, here's the third thing that pissed me off. She has a little daughter, right? So, I'm going to call her daughter by her nickname. I really don't care. I'm in the crib, and everybody knows I'm a daddy's girl. There's major red flags in a situation, and I still ain't flip out. So the third red flag is, I'm in the crib, I'm playing with my dad, we laughing, giggling, we talking. Her little daughter runs up. Now, mind you, I love kids. I don't care if You're my friend's baby. Shout out to Mitchie and my baby Myra. That's my baby. That's my daughter. That's like, she'll call me auntie. Whether me and Mitchie not friends no more or not. Feel me? I'm meeting somebody with a new baby, I'm gonna play the baby. I'm at work, I see babies all day, every day. I'm like, oh, cutie. I love kids. Mind you, this is days into the vacation and I'm playing with her kid. I'm always playing with her kid. Her kid runs up, right? Mind you, me and my dad is talking. She go, cutie, come here. Anytime mentor, which is my dad's name, anytime mentor, they will not see you again. Bitch, are you dumb? Like, are you really retarded? That's my father. Like, are you stupid? My father ain't seen me in how many years? How many years? Because I left Jamaica and went to school. I haven't seen my father since 2012. So call it 3-4 years because I really don't know the time. You really gonna tell this little girl, come, because when his daughter is here, he don't see you. That's not her father. You feel me? And even if my father was acting like a father figure to her, why would you feel like you should open your mouth to some shit to a little girl? You know how that's gonna affect her? Forget her for a moment. I'm here. You're here to impress me. You feel me? That's the 3rd red flag. The 4th red flag now, I'll be talking to my dad. I'll be chilling, or me and my dad be saying something, and she'll be like, honey, what are you calling him for? When you're having a conversation, I don't walk up in the conversation. I'm a kid compared to these grown-ass adults. What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? You feel me? Like, are you dumb? I really don't understand you, sis. Like, I really don't understand you. Like, dead ass. Anyways, major red flags. Now my friends come now. My friends come because now I'm feeling uncomfortable. So Keisha's mom, Bev, that's the one you see in the video, Auntie Bev, whatever, she knows her. So, like, I'll be going to Keisha's house. If you notice in my vlogs, I never want to be home with this lady. Like, my spirit, my vibe, like, she had that vibe. Her aura was just off. I mess with her. She would cook dinner for me. She would cook dinner, and my father would be like, oh, come eat. I'm like, no, I'm okay. And I think that got her pissed off. Like, I'm not eating nothing from you, sis. I don't know what you put in the food to tie him, but you're not going to try to tie me. Like, it ain't going down. Feel me? So I would go to my aunt's house, and like one time she packed me food. I brought the food out. I was being mad nice. I was like, oh, thank you, da da da. I went to my aunt's house, and my cousin's dog, Trixie, I opened it and said, roop. Everybody was like, I don't blame you. Like, I wouldn't eat from her either. Feel me? So that goes on now. She's moving funny. I was in a crib, whatever. I went, came back to America. Whatever. I ain't like it since then. My vibe is just turned off about her. Plus, when I went down to my aunt's crib, my grandmother's crib, they don't like her. Like, they talking about her. Like, nobody down there like her. And I get to find out that some situation had happened, which I can't touch on, that happened between her, my cousin Junior, his girlfriend. That's another situation. So she got major red flags. I come back the following year now. I come back now. I guess this is 2016. Yeah, this is 2016. I know that for a fact. So the year before was probably 15 or 14 or whatever. It is 2016. So I'm there, whatever now. And this is on vlogging, having fun. So Tavi and Kim decide to stay with me. So Tavi and Kim stay with me, whatever. Shorty catching attitudes. I would see her little attitudes and I go tell my father. And like, I guess my father would go speak to her out of respect to me. And she'd be slamming up the doors like, sis, I don't care if you was here now because I'm not here. Don't be slamming up my doors. And yes, it's my doors because one, it's my father's door. And even though I'm in America, I pay some of them bills. So it's my doors, my crib. If my father was to pass away right now, that crib would be mine and my brother. I have another brother on my father's side. So because my brother's not here right now, it's mine. I have my own room. I was conceived in that house, legitly. Mine. Feel me? You're not gonna slam up no door, catch no attitude. You a grown ass woman, probably like in your 40s. I'm a whole 20-year-old. What is wrong with you? Feel me? I have never disrespected none of her kids. Mind you, all 3 of her kids be in and out of my crib. I be on Facebook seeing these kids posting, well, one of the kids, because I don't know about the other daughter. I don't have her on nothing. But the posting pictures in my room and stuff. Like, I know my room. If you stand up and take a picture in my room, in a mirror, I know my room. You feel me? I know the mirror, I know the walls, bed, I know the bathroom, all that. You feel me? So, I'm like, whatever. She's slamming up doors, catching attitudes. So I'm telling my father, yo, I'm not having this. I'm getting tight. So we chilling, whatever. I'm in the house with my friends, Tavia and Kim. Kim, like, my father be like, oh, Kim, go get some dinner. My father's mad nice. I guess he was going out one night. We was in like bikinis. He was going to the bikini wear, some bikini party. We was on Ocean 11. That was the party he was going to. You could check back in the vlog when I wore a black bikini with the neon strings and the aviators. I went whatever. I guess one of my friends probably went over the pot. She was like, "Oh, come forward. I'm moving from the pot." When their outfits. Excuse me? What an outfit got to do with a pot? Mind you, I don't eat. Another thing now, another day, I'm showing my father some shoes, and I think I had some shorts and some shirt on. She was like, "Why would you wear that in front of your father?" That's my dad. You feel me? Like, either you want to be his daughter or his girlfriend. Like, do you feel like my father's going to try to do something sexual to me or think that I look better than you because I'm slim and I'm nice? Like, all these red flags, like, you're mad unnecessary. I'd rather her go tell one of her daughters something or, like, a friend and I hear it back. But you saying this blatantly, like, what? Are you retarded? Are you dumb? So, one day now, I had enough of it. She was getting crazy with my friends, having little attitudes. And then one thing I noticed, we have 3 beds in the crib. We have 3 rooms in the crib. So my father originally built it. One for him, which is the master bedroom, my room, and my brother's room. So I'm in my room, and every day I would notice that when I go into my father's room, the door would be locked. So I'll put my brother's room open, and my father would be sleeping in the bed. So I'm like, "Why are you sleeping in this bed?" He'd be like, "Oh, because her little daughter sleeping with her and I want to feel comfortable." That's cute and whatever, but this is your crib. I understand, but this is your crib. Now that I think about it, the only reason why she was in that room is because, one, she's scared to sleep by herself, but if she does sleep somewhere, which when I'm not there, it's my room. And I hate being in my room. For me, I hate that. I don't like it. Especially because my room is all over damn social media. People posting up in my room. But anyway, she's a baby. I don't really care. So one morning, I do my usual. My friends are up. And I go into the room. And I open the room door. Check on my father. I look now. Basically, my father and his shorty doing it. She looks up. She sees me. She continues. Whatever. I ain't saying nothing. Now. So I'm on the phone with my mom at the time. I tell my mother what happened. So I went down to the shop. I'm talking to my mom now. I come upstairs. Mind you, before I went to the shop, she's moaning louder and louder. When I first woke up, I was up for like 15 minutes before I went to go check the room. It was dead quiet. Feel me? They was having sex, and it was quiet. Feel me? So now when I get into the room, you want to moan and be extra? Even if, when I used to be around my father, what she'll do is she'll do like hickeys around his neck. Like, I'll play with him like at this moment, and then a couple minutes later she'll give him hickeys to get me jealous because she know I don't play with my dad. You feel me? So, and she know I like her at this point. So I'm in the room, whatever. I come out from outside after hearing all the moaning. I left my friends in the room. Tavia wasn't there at the moment, but Kim was there. So I'm there, whatever. I'm chilling. I ain't saying too much. I turn my music up because now she's getting very vulgar with her nasty moaning. You feel me? So they doing whatever, they business. My father come in. He knocks. My father's mad sweet. Nakish, can you turn the music down? Instantly, I get an attitude. My father never asked me to turn no music down, whether he's sleeping or not. He does not care. So I know it was her. You feel me? I go, "Why you don't turn my music down?" All of a sudden, I hear her go, hey, boy. Big, heavy laughter. Now, there's another red flag that I forgot to tell you guys about. And my father, when he was in jail, he got locked up when I was a couple of weeks old, whatever. He kept every picture from the day I was born all the way up till he came out of jail, which I was 14. You know what I mean? So every school picture, every birthday picture, all the pictures, whatever, he kept. When he first came out of jail, he was staying there before he had a girlfriend, whatever, in his crib. All my pictures were everywhere. We have this mirror in the house that when you come in the living room, Shorty took down all my pictures, put all her kids' pictures, and then put a little picture of me at the bottom and my brother at the bottom. Mind you, all her kids are on the frame. I go in this room, my father has this one picture of my mom on the wall, and this one little picture that Shorty put of me in the corner of my brother, and then all the pictures of her kids. You would have thought my kids, you would have thought my father gave, like, life to these kids. Like, like all of them came out of his sack. You feel me? So that happened, whatever. And she's laughing. She's like, hey, boy. So I come out in the hallway. I jump up. My father like, you should chill. I was like, what's funny? What's funny? Because now I'm tight now. Because now you feel like you could get away with shit. Feel me? So I'm like, what's funny? My age, my whole posture, my whole respect your elders thing went out the window. It was out the window. Because I've been holding it for too long. And I've been telling my father, like, I'm tired of this. So she go, hey, whoa. I'm like, so what's funny? What's funny? Hey, whoa. There's that little Gyal, whatever. Like, I don't know, that little girl, I don't know what she had to talk to me. I'm big on unfair. So I was like, what? I was like, you ain't crazy. My father pulled me apart. I said, boom, ran. I was like, you think this is your crib? Took the mirror, boom, broke it. Ran up in my father's room. Pulled the, little frilly, ugly mat they have on the dresses in Jamaica. That she put there, because I don't know why my father even had that. She put that there. He would never put that there. Pull it off. Everything broke. Took down all the pictures. My father, run, come get me now. They screaming now, because now I ran after her. My father grabbed me. Kim grabbed me. My mother's on the phone. Mind you, my mother's on FaceTime while this is going on. And we arguing back and forth. So they pull me now. Kim pulled me. And the way how my living room is set up is like, my living room is right here. And then when you look out the living room, it's my private balcony. You could walk through that balcony, that private living room, to my balcony and go into my room if my door is not locked. I push Kim. Kim almost flips over the balcony. And then my father's holding me, and I slightly push him on, so he's holding me. I grab one of the glass to like cuddle with it, because I'm getting so tight. And then everybody from outside rushes in. Two of my father's friends and my uncle rushes in and pull me. She's popping mad shit like, I will beat you up. As my father was like, yo, Dutty, go home. She goes now. Me not going away. So I'm like, bitch, go home. Hold the fuck home. You're not welcome here. Get out of my crib. Oh, and then she goes, me of my 3-bedroom house anchovy. If me want gonna, me gonna away. So my father's like, go home. Mind you, I'm wild. I'm throwing people on top of me now, grown ass men on top of me now, pulling me down while no one's holding her, because she's not moving towards me. She completely like standing there popping her shit. So the more and more I got closer, the more and more she back up. So they pulling me. They finally push her on the stairs now. I'm still wilding. My uncle calmed me down while my mother's still on FaceTime and brings me downstairs. So I'm like, hey, whatever. I ain't saying nothing. I'm calmed down now. So now I gotta be in the crib with her. I'm chilling. I get my father bad attitude. I'm like, I'm not coming back. Here. It's a dub. My father is a softie. You feel me? He's a softie. He don't play that. My father started tearing up. That's my baby. I'm like, all right, whatever. Let it rock. I'm in the crib with her. I'm like, all right, let me chill. I had to stay like 3, 4, 5 days there. I'm chilling, whatever. Whenever I'm in there, she could not go nowhere. Like, she decided not to move anywhere because it was real staticky. Like, now, it's time to disrespect her. So I came back in March, as you guys see, for Kauno. I come back for Kauno now. And, no, I think before, was it Kauno? I don't remember if it was, like, before Kauno. Oh, no. Actually, before Kauno now, that was the vlog where we almost, damn. No, the year after that now I come, she's there, whatever, still there. We moving staticky. I'm going to my aunt's house. I'm not really paying this bitch no mind. I'm calling out her name. I don't really give a fuck. I leave now after that year. I guess it was 2016 going into 2017, whatever. I'm there for the summer. So that's the time when I'm vlogging and you see Jay and whatever, and I'm at the beach and all the parties. That was the dream weekend, my first dream weekend. So I'm there, whatever, and I leave after that summer and I come back. I'm in the States, so my uncle's calling me like, yo, I ain't putting this bitch out because she was disrespectful. So that's my other uncle in the vlog that I said came out of jail. We had the barbecue. So he like, I'm putting her out. She got to take all her shit. So then all of a sudden I called my father. I'm like, what's going on? What's all I'm here? My father was like, yeah, I'm putting her out. So apparently my uncle waited till she came in the crib, told her she got to go. She packed her shit and dipped. Not all her shit, but most of her shit and dipped. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking everything is good. I come for Kauna now. That's in March, or my birthday, when I had the blonde hair in the vlog. She's not there. Period. Point blank, she's not there. All that week I was there, week and couple days, she wasn't there. Sorry, I had to pick up my food from Domino's. This is where my headphones in my ears. But yeah. So it's like when I came from Kauno, she wasn't there. Sorry if you hear the water running. My mom is doing whatever. So Kauno, she wasn't there. So I'm like, all right, whatever. She not there for Kauno. It's fun. Everything is lit. She don't live there no more. I ain't seen none of her shit. Well, then I saw some of her daughter's old stuff in my room, so I decided to throw that out, whatever, right? So I come for summer now, mind you. This is the other day. My father knows she's not supposed to be there. It's not supposed to be there. I leave now. I take the Knutsford bus, like 3 different buses, transfer 8 hours to get there. So while I'm on my way to Port Antonio, I'm writing my father. So like I'll be like at Ochi. I'm like, I'm Ochi. I'm in Montego Bay. Oh, I'm in Montego Bay. Oh, I just reached Buff Bay. So when you reach, I think it's a Nato Bay. When you reach a Nato Bay, I'm basically close to where I need to be because where we live is in the heart of Port Antonio, in the downtown area. So it takes me like 5 minutes by car to get to downtown, probably a 15-minute walk. You feel me? So it's like a Nato Bay and Buff Bay and then like Snow Whale and all them areas. Like everything is close. I would say from a Nato Bay to like my house, probably like 45 minutes. Feel me? So I'm telling my father like I'm at this stop, I'm at this stop, I'm at this stop. So he at the bus stop waiting for me and my friend and his friend, whatever. So they pick us up in the car, me and my cousin, that you're gonna see in the vlog. Me and my cousin Raisha, my father and our friend that driving whatever to pick us up, stocking, my taxi driver, whatever. I go in the crib, ain't nobody in the crib. So I'm like, all right, whatever. I go down to my grandmother's house. I'm chilling with my grandmother. I'm talking to my cousins. Da, da, da. So my father, I was like, Dad, I'm hungry. So we walk. Mind you, my father left his crib open. So he left the door open, whatever. So we walk up to the seaside to go get some food. That's where y'all see me get my taxis and stuff. We walk up there to get some food. I ain't see no food that I like. My father showed me mad. People was like, oh, menta chin. Because like I said, like, I mean, them got Chinese in it. And you see I got chinky eyes. So his nickname is Menta. Chinese, what we call Chinese, chin. Mento chin. So they're like, Mento chin, wagwan, da da da. Calling me Mento chin. So I'm like, yeah, hi, da da da. I was like, yeah, Mento, this is your daughter, da 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 da. So that happened, whatever. We go all the way past my house to some place called Fata. This guy named Fata. Fata is way far. Not far, but like over the bridge. Turn the, Jamaicans give directions and whatnot. So yeah, we go there, whatever. We spent like 30 minutes on the road. I got my food, right? I went upstairs on my food, and like my father was trailing behind me. I hear this noise from his bedroom door, but I ain't paying no mind because the door was open. So from where I looked, I saw this black standing fan. Mind you, I had a black standing fan in my room the last time I was in Jamaica for Kauno in my vlogs. I had to sleep with a fan. Even when I'm in New York and it's brick cold and it's snowing, I have to sleep with the fan. I like the feeling of when I'm bundled up so I can sleep better. Feel me? I'm in like fetal position when that happens. So boom. I said that now. I was like, oh, Daddy, remember I need a fan tonight? Whatever. And I turned to my room. He comes and he said, oh, that's not my fan. That's Dutty's fan. And she in the room. What? Like, what? I was like, so he comes in the room to fight with my mom. I was like, what is this bitch doing here? Mind you, I lost all respect for her. I'm calling out all type of name. I don't care. What is she doing here? Why is she here? You know that when I'm here, she's not supposed to be here because we're going to fight. Legitly, like, we're going to fight. She's not allowed to be here. You feel me? I might have kind of like stood back when we almost had the first fight, but for some effect, she disrespected my uncle and my family when I wasn't there, and they put her out, and she knows she's not supposed to be here because I don't like her. I'm going to continue to disrespect her. Why are you here? I don't care how anybody feel towards the story. Why are you here? I wouldn't mind if you come and you go. I don't care. I'm not telling my father who to be with. I don't care who he be with. Just keep that shit away from me. That's it. Because I'm not going to fight somebody that wants to be in a relationship with my father to be with my father. I'm not going to fight you to have my father. That's my father. He's not going nowhere. Unless I decide to cut him off, because, I'm the type of person, when I cut you off, I cut you off. You feel me? So he in the room, whatever, and I'm like, why is she here? My father got mad. I'm like, why is she here? You know she can't be here. You know I was coming. I told you where I was. If she was here before I came here, she could have easily left as soon as you went to go get me. Why is she here? Mind you, the way how this lady is, she basically trying to stand the ground. Like she top dog. Like nobody can't move her nowhere. And the way how she make it seem is like it's her house. Now I'm not saying she acting like it's her house. She's acting and she's telling people it's her crib. Because apparently after this whole situation, my little cousin Raisha, who just now met her for the first time or the second time, whatever, since she left to come to America, she said to Raisha, get out my house. And Raisha was like, this is not your house. She was like, this is my house. Mentor don't rule me. I rule Mentor. What? In my place? You know how Jamaicans are. Once you're a parent and you have a place, that's your kid's place automatically. I don't know how they do it in America, but feel me? So I'm going back and forth. My father was like, oh, well, she's in there. Now I'm feeling disrespected because you telling me, oh, well, she's in there. He didn't say, oh, well, but he was trying to say, like, I was like, she gotta go, she gotta go, she gotta go. He was like, Nikki, what you want me to do? She's in there. She just stopped by. So she's in there. Quiet, like she's listening. So she make a one or two giggle and a laugh. I ain't say nothing. So me and my father going back and forth now. She comes and say, honey, you know I'm talking to my dad. Mind you, I'm disrespecting you to my dad. I'm calling her Gyal. I'm calling her bitches. I'm saying I don't want to be around her. I'm disgusted. F is she doing here? And you in the room? This is not no wifey and matey thing. It's a daughter and a Gyal. A daughter and a girlfriend. Blood against pum pum. Like you not that ass. So my father's really, he's a quiet person, so I kind of feel bad telling the story or whatever. I'm going ham. He like, calm down. Da, 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 da. It's okay. So she goes, honey. My father go, yes. First of all, by him answering, she won, and she knows she won. Why are you answering? She's trying to get attention to be funny. So I was like, why the F is you answering? I'm talking to you. Like, and I'm getting crazy. Like, all respect came out the window. I'm talking to you. I don't want this bitch here. I don't want her nowhere near me. She's not supposed to be here. Whatever, mind you. I'm in my room. I have my food. I'm not even touching my food. She's in the other room. All right, Nakish. All right, da da da. I was like, I'm calling my mom. He goes in the other room. I'll call my mother. She's not picking up. He's in the room now. He's trying to try to get to hurry up and get out. It's quiet in there. My mom coming to tell my mother what happened. So I'm still classing this lady disrespectfully on the phone to my mother. She's still in the room. My mom was like, let me talk to your father. I was like, Dad, my mom want to talk to you. He's like, yeah, I'm coming. 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, whatever. About 5, 6 minutes go by. He's still sitting there. So in my head, I'm like, you making sure they feel like she win. I jump up so fast, and I was like, so when I walked in the door, it's like, this is my father's door, and as soon as you look to your right, his bed is right there, and then there's a window. So by the window, there's this chair. It's a good distance. He's sitting in the chair with his head down. The shorty's on the edge of the bed. On the edge of the bed, just on the edge of the bed. She never make no move. I walk right past the light in the bed. I was like, didn't I call you? Just like that. He's like, yes. And he comes behind me. So his first mistake is walking in front of me. So he walks in front of me as he's walking out the door now. I hear go, whoa. So I turn back into the room. He's behind me now, noticing that I turn back. I'm like, so what's funny, Dutty? What's funny? And she jumps up now. She jumps up off the bed. Like, this is her, this is me at the door. And I woke up and I'm like this close to her. I was like, what's funny? So this is a good distance. If she swing, she gonna miss. If I swing, I'm gonna miss because it's a good ass distance. She jumps up. Hey, man, no, yeah, talk to Gyal, man, no, Gyal feel. My father runs in between now. So I'm like, what? So the way how my father is, he's facing her. It's her, my father facing her face to face, trying to push her back, and his back is turned to me. So knowing my strength, he's trying to like hold her. but trying to back me up. She's taking him and she's pushing him to hit me like in the wall. So like while she's pushing him, I'm getting like this in the wall while I'm getting crazy. So she's getting crazy now. She's trying to put up her hands trying to get into my face. I pushed my father to the side and I said, boop, clocked her. She dropped back. She jumped up now. My father jumping between us, holding her back now, trying to push her back. So now my father turned to me, trying to hold me. So my father's trying to push me now, but he's swinging side to side. So every time she's trying to put her hand in between, she's not getting to me. So I'm wilding. She's like, man, I get feel BB. And I'm like, ha, bitch, ha. Can't do nothing. Come. I was like, so I'm pushing my father. I'm like, yo, get on my face. I'm about to clock her again. Get on my face. Get on my face. So she reaches over on the table and she picks up a detergent bottle with like a pump on it's heavy. She swings it. It hits me right here in my face, but I'm still hitting her. I'm not like falling back. So I'm grabbing in between now. She's trying to grab my hair, miss. So I grab her hair and I'm like this, like clocking her in her head. So my father gets in between like Lego. So my father's swinging us now. He swings us into the table, into his dresser, and she gets loose, and then I'm loose. So she tried to come up now to try to swing again. She missed. I have her in a headlock. I'm hitting her. So while I'm hitting her, my father's twisting me. So he twists me. We both fall on the bed. So the way how we fall on the bed is I have her by her hair, has me by my hair. So she's trying to swing, I'm trying to swing. None of our hits is connected because my father's in the middle. By now we're on the bed. It's like a sandwich. I'm on the bed flat down, holding her hair. She holding my hair. My father's on top of me. So she's screaming like, yeah, Gyal, come in. She's like, yeah, Gyal, da-da-da, whatever. Take me a bigger Gyal for you. Me beat Gyal in them days. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, okay. So now the American going to me. Because this whole time we're arguing, it's straight Jamaican I'm talking. So I'm like, yeah, all right. Yeah, okay. Hi. Yeah, bitch. Hi. I'm going like that, being mad Brooklyn. So she's swinging whatever. So she's have onto my hair. So my father's like, let go my daughter. Get out. She's like, but nah, go nowhere. Da-da-da-da. So my father's like, get out. Stop touching my daughter. Yeah, so my father like, let go, let go. So my father pries my hand apart. So now my hand is flat on the bed. He's trying to pry her hand off of my hair. She's pulling my hair. Mind you, I had the red hair, which is a frontal on. It's a lace frontal wig. So it's glued from hair to hair, and it's sewed down here, and in the back has a elastic band Latavia sewed on, and a strap. So she's pulling my hair, and I hear my hair go ch-ch-ch, and I'm laughing. Because one, I got my head. I got my anger out, and I have a mean, dirty temper. So I'm laughing. I'm like, yeah, all you good for is some pom-pom. You was a weird girl. So she's talking about some, yeah, you was a worthless girl. Your Calvin cookie, Calvin clean. My father's house interior was white and beige. We had a beige cream couch and white interior, beige kitchen table, kitchen chairs. That's like matching to the glass table that we have. When I first met her, all she do was dry mop. If you know what dry mop is, it means no bleach, no water, just shining the tiles. She claims she's a 3-bedroom house, clean or whatever. She has her daughter taking crayons, coloring on the walls. The walls are from white to black. I kid you not. This is why I never did a house tour. The couch went from cream to black. She has people in and out the house claiming she's selling stuff on the couch, like a higgler type of thing. That's the people who like sell clothes in the market. She have no money to get no stall in the market, so she put the clothes on the couch. If you see one of my vlogs, I kind of pause in the living room and I'm like, what is all this stuff doing here? And I walk to the living room and I come back out. Feel me? It's like the house is dirty when she's there. Now I'm in the process of fixing it up, thank God. She's pulling my hair now. Oh, bitch, da-da-da, you know how to cook and clean. Mind you, my father used to always say that to me because when I'm in Jamaica, I don't cook. For me, my room is always messy because my clothes is in my suitcase. It's not like I put them in a drawer. I don't want to put my clothes in a drawer. I want to have easy access. So when you come in my room, it's no trash, it's no food all the place. It's just clothes on my bed. You see this in every vlog, clothes. I put my outfits out. I take out my makeup is on the drawer, all that. My shoes is in one space, clothes. When I'm ready, I wash out my bathroom with bleach and soap. So 1 or 2 times she'll come in and trying to be good, nice to me when we first met, and dry mop in there. Oh, you can't cook, you can't clean. I've never cooked for this lady. I've never cleaned her with this lady. So she had nothing to say about me. So I'm laughing. I'm like, you don't know nothing. So my father's like, you don't know anything. Shut up, da-da-da, get out of my house. So she's screaming like, I'm not getting out. So she reaches under my father. Mind you, my hands is on the bed. My father's holding me down. Under my father and squeezing my face. That's why in the vlog you see a little gash. So you like technically see it right here. It's gone now, just like a little, not even a scab. Like the skin is like a little well. So it's going back over to my regular skin. She's squeezing my skin. I hear my skin go like a pop. But I'm still laughing, right? Mind you, at this time before I saw that, I saw blood on the bed. So I don't know where she bleeding at, but she was bleeding before I was bleeding. But the spot where my face was, there was a little bit of blood there because I had a little blood running down my face. So she's pulling my wig while popping her shit. So I'm like, you was trash, sis. Like, you talking about some cleaning and da-da-da. Only thing you showed me was how to be a what-less gal. Baby fathers is not even with you. You catch up on other people's house. Da-da-da, trying to make the house like yours. You jealous of a father and his child. You're whack. So my father finally gets her off me now while she pulled my wig. So my wig is like hanging by the elastic band and one thing. And it's like blood right there. So she thinking she win because she's basically, her whole agenda was to pull my wig off because I'm on vacation. She probably feel like, oh, I have no other bundles. I have no pop-up wig. Psych. Come again. My black wig was on deck in my bag only because I was scared to wear a wig to Jamaica because that was my first wig. Feel me? So my father pushes her out now. So now I get up about to charge for her. So I find some scissors. I run her towards her with the scissors. My father push her out. She popping mad shit. I get my daughters to hit you, bitch. Wherever you see me, it's on sight. So I'm laughing. I'm like, yeah, you're trash. You're a treesh. Bye. You a slut. Bye. Get out of my house. Bye. So I see this bottle of alcohol. I open the alcohol and I run and throw it in her face. My father slammed the door. She popping mad shit on the other side of the door. I'm pacing because my father would not let me out. So 5 minutes later, she's still there arguing. She goes across the street, go call this other lady that was cool with my family, whatever, and start telling them, oh, this girl got no behavior. I'm going to mash her up. I'll live 25 to life for this kid. Whatever. Of course you're not going to tell nobody you got beat up, sis. You're like 40. I'm like 20. You're not going to tell nobody. If I got beat up, I'm going to say I got beat up. I got one good hit in my face with a detergent and one scratch and my wig came off my head. That's about it. Her whole tracks was on the floor. And wherever she was bleeding, because my father think, oh, because I hit her with my father's cologne bottle. So I think I probably cut her foot or whatever, something like that. So it was just like, you're trash. The next day now I had to go down to the station and file a police report because my family wasn't having that. He'd been wanting to get out. So in order to file a police report, in order to file a restraining order, I had to get a police report. I go down to the station now, didn't know that they would drive me to her place. So my father calls me, tell me where her shop is at. We pull up to the shop, the cops see me. The cops pull up to the shop. See her, I see her, she ain't see me because she's trying to act like she innocent because the cops passing by. I point her out, the cops do a U-turn. So I'm in the car now, the cops go talk to her. So she's like, oh, that little girl on the behavior. I'm in my man house, going in my man room, da-da-da. You mean my room? In my place. The cops is telling her like, but that's his daughter. You can't have respect for his daughter. Why you just leave? Oh, da-da-da. So she start peeping that I'm in the car now because I'm laughing in the car with some other persons in the car and her cousin, which is my cousin, but me and her is not related. So she gets louder. Oh, this ain't got me much up this girl. Da-da-da. So Jamaican police, they're not like American police. If American police heard that, straight lock up. For me, they like, you know what, ma'am, you're out of order. Just don't come near her. She won't come near you. That's it. Now, when I went home, everything dead now. I'm chilling. I go home now. I'm like, you know what? My whole family like, yeah, pack a shit and let's pack a shit and go. I go in the crib. I see my father pack like 4 bags. I'm like, what's this? Oh, this is her stuff. I'm going to put it in a taxi and send it to her crib. Guess who's single now? Bitch. Listen, I don't care who my father going to be with. You feel me? That's my dad. He gonna need some little nookie sometime. He gonna need some coon. I'm not gonna force my mother on him. My mother not forcing herself on him. But they love each other. They want to be together. They can. They talk every day. You feel me? My mother been supporting him way back then till now. You feel me? So it's like, if I went in there some animosity like, oh, my mother is gonna come back, I can understand. I wasn't even on top of time, and I tried to be your friend, sis. I tried to fill you out, and you failed. You should have friended me up and got some foreign goods. So to anybody out there, if you get in a relationship with somebody, females, with a guy and he has like a little kid or like a grown adult, whatever, you decide, you know, I like this man, whatever. I'm not saying the family gotta like you, but at least be cool with the kid, bro. Like, his kid come first. Ladies, like, his kid come first. Also, gentlemen, you gotta build some type of common respect, a common ground to be around somebody and their kid. You gotta make the kid like you, even if you faking it till you making it. You feel me? If you love someone, you gotta be able to bring whoever's with them in between this love. Come on now. I'm his child. You really think because you gotta wait 1 or 2, 3 times that we gonna fight and that was that? Or you gonna keep on disrespecting me and he was gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna be with you? That's a dub. I mean, I had no problem with them being together. Just you can't be near me. That's it. I don't care. But now they're broken up apparently, so I guess I won. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this. Continue watching the vlogs, and I appreciate the support.
No girl can style you. You want me bad girl. So laugh off of them. Come now. Look how you're sexy. Look how you're